Let's boil anchovies broth today. This broth can use for many recipes. Ingredients are anchovies, carrot, onion and chopped garlic. Cubes, carrot and onion. Stir fry anchovies until fragrant. Stir fry onion. 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. Add 1 bowl hot water. Pour in carrot and let it simmer. Season with chicken cubes. Salt and pepper powder at taste. Soup broth is done. This soup is sweet and can be used in many recipes such as fried noodles. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. See you in next videos. Bye bye.